if you accept everything, if you accept all the things that the universe, God is giving to you, then the universe will be like कि अच्छा इसको तो सब चलता है. This person accepts everything, so why would I give her anything different? Why would I give her something that she really deserves? If somebody is giving you a piece of chocolate, but that is not something you like and you still accept it, the universe is like, oh, she likes this, she wants this, it will bring you more of that. Rejection is very important when it comes to manifestation. You have to reject everything that is not aligning with yourself, that is not aligning with your goals, with your future. And when you do that, you will get exactly what you want. You will get even much more than what you deserve. And yeah, that is how it works. Play it.